Hello, good morning. Welcome back to the online class once again. So today here we are going to learn adjectives and the degrees of comparisons. Okay, so let me tell you the definition of adjective. Adjective are the words which describes a noun or a pronoun. Okay, so noun means naming words and pronoun means the word which we use in place of a noun are called pronoun. Okay, so here adjectives. Okay, so most of the adjectives have three forms. These are positive, comparative and superlative degrees. Okay, so let me tell you the uses of these three forms of adjective. So we use positive degree when there is no any comparison is made. Okay, positive degree is used when there is no any comparison with any person or thing. We use comparative degree when there is two person or thing. Okay, comparing two person or things we use comparative degree, and when there is more than two person things we use superlative degree. Okay, and one more thing that in comparative degree, okay, we use then in the sentence. Okay, and with superlative degree we use the. Okay, so remember these things before starting the video. Okay, so I hope you have understood the uses and the forms of the adjectives. So let's get started the video. So here I have given few examples. Rewrite the following sentences using the correct form of the adjectives. Our first question is the Pacific is the deep ocean of all. Here, which is the adjective? Deep. Okay, so here in the question it is written wrong. We have to rewrite the sentence once again and we have to write the correct form of the adjective. So deep is adjective and before that there is the, so that means superlative degree will take place here. So the Pacific is the deepest ocean of all. The Pacific is the deepest ocean of all. So it is a comparison between more than two things. Okay, so that's why we have written here superlative degree. Our next question is Rajiv is the taller boy in the class. So here taller is adjective and in this sentence we have to make the comparison between more than two person. Okay, so Rajiv and there is the before the adjective, so superlative degree will come here. Rajiv is the tallest, tallest boy in the class. Rajiv is the tallest boy in the class. So it is the correct form of the adjective. John is a fatter boy. So here we don't have to compare with any other person. Okay, so positive degree will come here. Okay, John is a fat boy. Okay, our next question is Rajam is the rich of all. Here we have to make comparison between more than two person. Okay, so superlative degree will take place. Rich is positive degree, richer is comparative, and richest is superlative degree of rich. So Rajam is the richest of all. It is the correct form of the adjective. So our next question is, this sofa is most comfortable than that one. So here most comfortable, it is superlative degree, but it is wrong. We have to make it correct because after the adjective there is then. So definitely in this sentence comparative degree will take place. Okay, if, let me tell you, if there is then in the sentence, then we have to use comparative degree, and if there is the before the adjective, then we use superlative degree. Okay, so this sofa is more comfortable than that one. This sofa is more comfortable than that one. This is the correct form of adjective. He has little knowledge than his brother. So here little is adjective, okay, and there is then in the sentence. So it is positive. We have to make it comparative. Okay, he has less knowledge than his brother. He has less knowledge than his brother is the correct form of the adjective. Saruk is the tallest than Amir. So here tallest is adjective and there is then after the adjective. So we have to use comparative degree. Okay. So tallest is superlative degree. We have to change it into comparative. And the rest of the sentence will remain same. Saruk is taller than Amir. Saruk is taller than Amir. Our next question is, Sunil is best than Anil at maths. So here there is then in the sentence before the adjective. Okay, best, it is positive degree and not positive, sorry, it is superlative degree. Okay, Sunil is best than Anil at maths. Sorry, it is superlative degree. Good, better, best. Okay, so Sunil is better than Anil at maths. Sunil is better than Anil at maths. Okay, I hope you have understood the video and the uses and the forms of the adjective. Okay, for today's video lesson only this much. Thank you. Have a nice day.